DoorDash plans to expand its food delivery business into Europe has been accelerated with the $8 billion all-stock takeover of Finnish startup Wolt. The U.S.'s largest food delivery company had been planning a launch into Germany later this year, but this deal will bolster its footprint in Berlin, Tokyo, and a string of smaller Eastern Europe markets where Wolt has flourished. DoorDash shares surged 24% in after-hours trading on Tuesday on the news of the deal that will see the company expand to include 4,000 Wolt employees, and 23 countries they operate in. Wolt CEO and co-founder Miki Kuusi will run DoorDash International once the acquisition has been closed. DoorDash has built an incredible business in one of the most significant markets in the world, while we came from a small home country and had to master the art of expansion very early on, say. During this process, we've come to appreciate the many similarities of our two teams, cultures and companies, as we've been molded by similar circumstances. The deal is set to intensify the battle to control the food delivery space in Europe. Britain's Deliveroo, the Netherlands' Just Eat Takeaway, Germany's delivery hero and Spain's Glovo continue to duel with Uber Eats for food delivery services while trying to expand into the booming fast grocery space. The market to ship snacks and drinks within 10 minutes is already being fought over by a host of well-funded startups, while GoPuff's acquisition of Dija and Fancy earlier this year has set up its launch into the UK and Europe. DoorDash has been hiring for staff to head up a Berlin office and a possible Germany launch, and had held talks about a possible merger with Deliveroo, or Just Eat Takeaway earlier this year, according to a source close to the talks. Deliveroo's shares have struggled after a disappointing IPO on the London Stock Exchange earlier this year, while Just Eat Takeaway has been fighting off activist investor Cat Rock Capital's campaign to force it to sell off American food delivery service GrubHub. Jefferies analyst Giles Thorne said Wolt had defied expectations by launching after the major players and making its model work even with the high labor costs of its home city Helsinki.